are going to see how the loops are works. Okay, how the loops are works, and when we are going to create the loops. So for example, if you want to perform any task, there is a need to write the code, otherwise it won't respond to us, or it won't perform any task. Okay, for example, I want to hear the voice of this cat. When I say meow, say meow, it won't respond. So when I want to hear the voice of this cat, there is a need for to write the code. Okay, so here we are adding the block here. Okay, automatically it's make a sound. Okay, when I click on it, you can hear the meow sound. Okay, I want to make this cat to say meow 10 times, okay, or 5 times, or 100 times. Okay. So that time there is a need for to write the code. So for that purpose, I am using one more block, that is delay the execution. Okay, that is delay the first and second block. Okay, for that purpose we are using the time. Okay, wait, I am telling the cat to wait 2 seconds, then one more time start to sound meow. Okay, if I want to make that cat 5 times to make a sound, so I am adding 5 block of start sound code, and each and every time I am going to add the delay here. It should wait 2 seconds, then say meow. Sorry. Okay, so now it should be coded, and also it have the ability to make a sound 5 times. Just click. Okay, so I think so you can count how many times it's make a sound also. Okay, so maybe we want to hear this sound of this cat 10 times. That time there is a need for to add the blocks. Okay, initially I have added the delay sound, delay block, then followed by adding the sound block. Okay, so when I execute this block, okay, here there is a need for to change it as 2 seconds. Okay, each and every time it should wait 2 seconds, then start to make a sound meow. So everything is fine. Then I'm going to okay, I think so you can hear how many times, you can count how many times it's make a sound, the cat make the sound. Okay, so when I want to hear 10 times, there is a need for to write this lengthy code. If I want to hear the sound 100 times, there is a need for to repeat the block. Okay, there is a need for to repeat the block of code. Okay, so to write this type of, there is to write this lengthy code, that should be somewhat problem. Okay, to control the code, that should be somewhat difficult. That's why we are going to the loop. Okay, so when we can use the loop, whenever we are in need, to repeat the same task. That time we are using the loop concept in the programming language. So here I am going to add the loop in the block. Okay, and also I want to make this cat to make a sound 10 times. Okay. Here also I am adding the wait second also. Okay, so whenever we are check this block of code, make a sound, then wait 2 seconds, then make a sound, wait 2 seconds, make a sound, wait 2 seconds. Okay. So this is a pattern is going to repeat it. This is the pattern going to repeat it in this block. So that's why I'm using the loop, and also the same pattern is going to repeat it 10 times. Okay. So the entire code has been simplified like that. Okay, entire code is simplified like that. Okay, so whenever we are in need to reduce the number of lines, that time we can use the loops. Okay, and the logical part should be repeated task. That time only we can use the loop. Okay, so this is simple block. Okay, when I click on it, okay, it's ready to say meow 10 times. Okay, so maybe I want to make that cat 5 times. Okay, it's sounded 5 times. Okay, here we are use the variable value as 5, so automatically it's going to repeat 5 times. Okay, so we are going to repeat 5 times these two block of code. Okay, so first time when it's reached to the end, it's going to back and also move to the next time. Okay, check whether it's done it 5 times or not, and going to do it. Okay, if it's done it 5 times, then come out. Okay, that's a basic concept of okay. So you can hear you can count how many times it's make it. Okay, maybe I want to make this cat to say meow 100 times. Okay, just there is need to change here. Okay, this is conditional variable. Okay, in loop this should be considered as a conditional variable. Okay, so maybe I want to make it 100 times. Okay, or 1000 times. Okay, we are setting control here. Okay, there is based on the number of values there, number there. Based on that, it's ready to repeat the block of code. Okay. So this is the basic building block of any loops. Okay, so someone is